Raising a requisition and placing an order within InvoiceReady is very straightforward. Simply logging in as your user profile, go to the Requisitions tab and create requisition. From here, the system will have defaulted some values for you, so all you need to do is simply select Supplier from the list, and this is fed in from your ERP solution. Here we'll select Dell Marketing. Then enter a subject, and this is something to remind you about what it's for, that you're raising the requisition. So I'm going to raise a new requisition, a new laptop for Joe, and just a description if you wish. And then click New Row. This adds a purchase item row to the requisition. So you select a product group, and I'm going to select here desktop computers. That does all the coding for you in the background, and then I just need to enter a product code, a product name, and simply the amounts and unit of measure and price. And all of these are free text, so you can enter within reason any values you wish here. So you just click Save to save the requisition line. If you want to add more rows, you can do that. You can check the posting that's been assigned, and that's been done automatically. And if I wanted to have a look at what this looks like, I'd simply click Open, and this gives you a rendered image of what the requisition actually looks like, ready to go out or ready for approval. So I just simply click Save here. That's saved that data. I can check in some tabs about any additional information, for example delivery dates. I can set some of that. I can add any comments that I may wish to be sent to the supplier, and any supplier references that they may want quoting on the document. So again, I've just added some more information. I can check the workflow here and see who it's going to go to for approval and who's going to be placing this order. So this is all predefined by rules in the system. In this case, I'm going to save the data I've just added, and because I'm an administrator, it will let me approve this myself. So this is going to be a self-approval of this requisition, and now it will be moved to the next stage in the process, which is Joe. So I'm going to now log in as Joe, and Joe raises our orders, and I'll just log in here. So Joe's going to have a number of tasks to do as the person responsible for ordering. So if I look in my task list, I can see there's a lot there, but right at the bottom we've got our requisition which we've just placed. It's been processed, so what we need to do is convert that into an order, and so I just have a look at the data that's available, check the order lines, I can check the posting, I can have a look obviously at the image there, it's on the top right hand side. But if I want to click order, all I simply do is click order, and it's asking me now for an email address. So this is the supplier email address, or the person who you want to send this to internally for creation and sending out. You can CC yourself if you wish, so you have a copy of it in your inbox, and you can define who the sender is so that any inquiries go back to that person. Put a subject line in there, and obviously that's defaulted from the order, and any comments you just click OK, and then the order is then sent out to the supplier. That is the purchasing cycle complete, and you can obviously maintain and look at the history internally. And here we see on the screen, this is the final image of the order that went out to the supplier with all of the details on.